how do you fry stuff? What do you get ready in
You
there?
get flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs.
And then what?
Show them how to do it.
You do flour,
Yep. Yep.
egg wash, and then breadcrumbs.
And then what?
And then fry.
That is a really good job.
And then you wipe your hands off. And then be communicate. And then you wash your hands.
Very good.
Grandma, you want to come with us?
Chef Lily, yeah.
What do you have with your, what are you frying over there? What do you got in your breading station? What are you breading and frying?
Zucchini,
No.
eggplant,
Where from?
my garden.
That's right. What are you gonna have to drink with your fried eggplant?
I don't want fried eggplant. I don't like fried eggplant.
Well, how you know? That's what you're over there doing.
Breadcrumb.
You didn't egg wash that one, did you?
I didn't do egg wash, but
Is it gonna be delicious?
I'm doing a special one for me.
Oh, okay. Good job.